Okay, we just bought the Hoover Freedom FD22L from Curry's. Now let's see what's in the box. Okay, so straight out of the box, let's see what we've got. Handheld unit, the tube, the crevice tool and the brush head. Instructions, guarantee and charger cable, and of course a nice pile of recyclables. Okay, let's see how easy it is to put together. Should go in there like that. That should pop on there like that. And voila! All put together. Charger there, plugs into the handle, ready to put into the wall for charging. We'll do that now and then see how long it takes to charge. Okay, fully charged, very light and easy to move. Seems to be picking up everything you would want it to pick up. Absolutely no problems using that. That is great. Right then, let's see if we can do some small tricky parts. That comes off one easy click. Here's my handsome assistant.
Hello. Goodbye.
And that's on. And so you go on the shift it on the dirty sofa, picking up all those bits nice and easily. Really light, convenient. Yep, it's not bad at all. See what it's like on the stairs. Okay, let's see what it's like for emptying it. Over the bin, little click. Nearly all come out, a little bit of help there. Pretty simple, more or less the same as the Dyson. And there we are, nice and empty.